Welcome to Rapid Tabletop.
My name is Christopher.
And you can call me Leo.
And my name is Edvin.
Great news! We have a plan. We are gonna start with soft openings due to the restrictions from the 2nd of July. Keep it in mind. Plan it. Book it. It's important.
Alright, so as Christopher said, we're going to open up. And that's the first part. We are a gaming club. Second part is that we are, of course, what I started up in the past, Rapid Tabletop, a studio. So we will still take commissions, but we are also opening up for other commissioners to join our little club, so to speak. More about that later on. And since we are a gaming club, we will have a membership fee, but it comes with a lot of benefits. And let's take it over to Edvin to talk a little bit more about those things.
So as Leo mentioned, there are benefits associated with that membership fee. One of which is something I've been toiling away with for the past month. So we are opening up a webpage where we will be selling Games Workshop and Citadel Range products. And this is something we are very much looking forward to do, particularly as the Malmö community has been lacking a solid, dedicated, friendly local gaming store since Green Faction, our home.
Yeah, it was our home basically.
Had to close down business last year. And these perks, as Leo alluded to, include a solid discount for these products. There will be more information covering this in the days to come on the webpage, as well as on our other social media outlets such as Facebook, Discord, you name it. We are going to have the information all across the web.
All right, thank you. We'll see you soon. So, hello and welcome. You know me already? Call me Leo. So this time we'll do the opening tour, and I will let my colleagues to present the different stations as we go on in the bunker here. So without further ado, let's get into the bunker.
Hello there. Do come in. So here we will have our Games Workshop products. Warhammer 40k, Age of Sigmar. Jesus Christ, that's loud. And yeah. That's about it.
So many choices. Hawk Lords, very nice. Oh, hey! Welcome to our first cozy corner. Here you can sit, you can relax, take a sip. You can always just chill and talk with your friend. We can also remove this and put another playing table here. So this is good.
Alright, so I'll take over here on this shelf here, the triple shelf. The first section here, we will remove the terrain because we have lots of extra space, and we'll have skirmish games, for example, in this section here.
The most important games.
Yeah, maybe, especially not the 8mm, but okay, so we'll have terrain, and then moving over to
the first of 3 nice playing tables permanently located here. This is my own table, dedicated to me by none other than John Blanche. And this nice table has its corresponding nice floating surface where we can place stuff such as miniatures, cases, and what have you. Moving on, we have this nice shelf here with a lot of terrain, including Leo's phenomenal Necromunda terrain. And here we have the sexy Scandinavian table, dedicated again by none other than John Blanche.
Sexy.
And obviously its corresponding offloading area.
And talking about, and speaking of which, of the sexy Scandinavian.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to our candy bar. We got candy, we got sodas, so many sodas. All you could dream of, really. You can take for a nice price. It's good, it's comfortable, and it's great to have during the hot summer days, like me.
And finally, we have the premium gaming table, which is dedicated to none other than our benevolent leader, Leo himself, again by John Blanche. Here we have a nice screen where we can display basically everything and anything you would want, including, you know, scenarios, stats, etc., etc., and etc.
Oh, Jürgen. This is the true cozy corner. I mean, here you can go, you can read some magazines, maybe catch up with latest White Dwarf, take a soda, we sell it over there, you may have seen it, and you can just look at our gorgeous bunker. It's good, it's a great thing, this one.
And alright, so also here in the cozy corner area you can have a window and have a view into our studio where Edwin is now sitting and preparing one of our commissions. And yeah, it's like a monkey in the cage. You can look at us when we're working, if we're working at all. Most likely we should be. So let's move along. And here we have, of course, the staff area, and here we have the toilet. Let's get the hell out of here. All right, so well, you can read in there apparently. So we have also the photo booth area. So I'll turn on the light here. You saw it in the last video if you did. So here we can take some pictures. It's very bright light in here now. It will adjust, and there we have some backdrops. You can take some pictures, and that's about it. So I really do hope you enjoy this little tour we have here for the opening, and I really do hope that you will show up during our soft openings and once we have opened up fully. So come on down, and more information, as said before, will be on our webpage and on Facebook, Discord, and all over the place. So I'll see you guys in the future now. We're finally open.